Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Sabir, a member of the Legislative Assembly of Alberta in Canada and a proud alumnus of the Kashmir Institute of Economics. I completed my master's degree at the Kashmir Institute of Economics in 2001, and I can say with absolute confidence that my time there played a crucial role in my academic and professional development. Economics is a vast and powerful field, one that helps us understand the world around us, enables us to make informed decisions, and empowers us to be change makers. Today, the Kashmir Institute of Economics has grown into a leading institution, offering bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs in economics. It offers a range of courses, research opportunities, and a faculty with extensive teaching and research experience. I encourage all aspiring students to consider joining the Kashmir Institute of Economics to pursue a meaningful career in economics and become part of the next generation of economists. Thank you.